Welcome, I'm Raquel Schroeder, broker and owner of East Park Realty, located in the beautiful and sunny Central Florida. Today, I invite you to take a tour of 3588 Yellowbird Court, located in St. Cloud, Florida. We're going to start our tour today at the beautiful and luxurious heated pool and spa, fully enclosed and screened. Over here to your right, you've got luscious lighting and landscaping, perfect for evening entertaining. And also over here to our left, we have a fire pit. So if you want to invite friends and family over for evening get-togethers, or roast hot dogs, or roast s'mores for the kids, this house is perfect. Aside from that, you also have a newer roof, newer AC, and a beautiful, beautiful floor plan that's a 4-2. If I haven't convinced you with this beautiful pool, next we're going to go into the kitchen. I think you'll be sold. It's gorgeous, granite countertops, deep sink, beautiful bar, plenty of space for family to entertain and tell stories. Let's go.